In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Netflix on your smart TV to fix common Netflix errors. First, ensure that your smart TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Begin by navigating to the Netflix app on your smart TV. If you're experiencing issues, the first step is to try logging out of your account. To do this, open the Netflix app and go to the menu or profile section. Look for the option that says Sign Out or Log Out and confirm your choice. After logging out, you can try resetting the app. To do this, return to your smart TV's home screen and locate the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once in the settings, look for Apps or Applications, then find Netflix in the list of installed apps. Select Netflix, and you should see options to clear cache and data. First, click on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Then, go back and select Clear Data to reset the app to its default settings. Next, go back to the Netflix app and sign in again with your account credentials. This should resolve most common errors, such as buffering issues, login problems, or the app crashing. If the problem persists, you can also try performing a soft reset of your smart TV. Simply unplug the TV from the power source, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. Turn the TV on and launch Netflix again, and that's it. You can now reset Netflix on your smart TV to fix common errors. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.